smells good. Oh. Hey guys, so before we get into the video, today's motivational quote of the day is, "With God, all things are possible." And I've been worried about them. Girl, you are that I see. And I am who I am. And I'll be where I be. If you ever hit me on a late night, I'll give you a clear mind. Might give you some insight. I'll share my world with you. You gonna waste your time. Waste your time with me. Tell me honestly. Open your eyes and see. You gonna waste your time with me. Waste your time with me. You can have all the space. Hey guys, so it is the next day. I look crazy. Ew, what? Ew. Yeah, so right now I'm actually uploading a vlog. I uploaded it last night, but I made some more changes to it, so I had to re-upload it again, like a new video. Okay, so right now I'm actually going to edit on my iPad. I'm gonna be posting a hair reel today on my hair page. If y'all haven't followed my hair page, then go follow my hair page. I literally post reels probably 2 to 3 times a week on there, just to get like my engagement up, and it's been helping me a lot. I wish that I had that much content to post on my Instagram page, but I just don't. I don't know. I feel like editing on TikTok is so, like, editing for TikTok and Reels are so much, like, it's so much quicker when it comes to, you know, like having to edit videos as opposed to YouTube. Like, you have to edit, you know. So yeah, like with TikTok, you're literally editing. You're taking like 5-minute videos and cutting them down to like 15-30 seconds. So I figured I would show y'all how I edit my my hair videos. What y'all think? Yeah, okay, let's do it. First of all, I'm just gonna get a oh, this looks so nice. I don't know why, but it does. Okay, so let's get to it. And this is literally my whole entire process, like when I am, you know, editing stuff. So let me bring you guys closer. Why is it leaned? I don't know. So first thing I need to do, put in my code. But what I'm going to do is actually airdrop the videos of the content that I want. I'm going to airdrop them to my iPad. Okay, so the ones that I had already edited, they are getting deleted because they take up a lot of space. So I'm going to send this one. No, cancel. Actually, I sent it to, what am I doing? So we're gonna send it to Ashika's iPad. And voila, the videos came through that easy. So now I'm just going to send the rest of them. You have to do them in portions, so you have to send them in portions like this, because if they're too long, then they won't actually get sent over. I think that is like a storage thing or something. So I sent 3 videos. I'm gonna send the next 3 or 4 depending on how long each video is. So that's how I determine how many videos I'm gonna send at once. So sending over the rest right now, and then we're going to show y'all how I actually edit. I have something in my hair, y'all. The bob is bobbing. The bob is bobbing. I did want to film another get ready with me today for TikTok, but my ring light that I ordered, not a ring light, like my portable light that, you know, like I see all the content girlies use, and the light is so bomb, Like, I was like, I absolutely need that. It goes on your phone. If y'all want to get it, then I'll just link it down below. I got it from Amazon, but it's not coming until tonight at like 10 o'clock, and that's just too late. I might just have to film the video tomorrow when I actually have the light, and that's okay with me. Today I actually did have like some stuff to do, but the way time is moving, I'm not too sure if I'm going to be able to get it done because these videos need to be up at a certain time. Okay, so yeah, and I just actually edited a video for YouTube Shorts. So right now I'm editing 3 different videos at one time. Okay, I'm editing my hair page reel. I'm editing my, well, I'm not editing my YouTube video, it's uploading, and I have to do everything in the description box. And I'm also editing a YouTube Shorts, okay, so that I can post. And most likely I'll probably post that on my Instagram as well. So we're just gonna go from there. Okay, so now I'm gonna open CapCut, and I'm gonna take my pen out because this helps me move much faster. Okay, so now that the clips are inserted, as y'all can see, here's the video. It says right here that the video is 6 minutes and 30 seconds. So what I like to do first is I just like to cut the video down to like what I kind of want to be in there, and I just split, delete the pieces, and just, you know, move from there. Oh, y'all cannot see. I'm gonna just go through it pretty fast like that. Like, I would like it to stop right there, and then just, you know, just keep doing that. So right now all I'm doing is really just editing for placement, just to see what just to see what parts I want to actually be in the video. And then I'll show you guys how I add the music and get it to like pretty much be on beat with the sounds. Okay, so now y'all see, this is so cool actually. But okay, so now to get the sound that I'm looking for, I go to my reel. I go to the reel icon, and I'm just going to saved sounds, and I'm just gonna screen record whatever sound I like, but I'm gonna listen to it first. So now I'm going to airdrop that video to my iPad, right? So here's the sound. You understanding? Right. So next we're going to open up CapCut, and we're going to go all the way to the beginning. And for sound, you're going to click audio, and you're going to click extracted. Then you're going to click the video that we just imported, and you're going to add. You go to the video. You're going to cut it to where it starts like this, and then move it to the beginning. And then from now on, you'll be editing to the video. So as y'all can see, my content goes way longer than the sound does. So right now, what I'm focusing on is to cut down everything so that it fits in 18 seconds. So that's what I'm about to do. And if y'all want to see the full, and I'll show y'all the full video once I'm done. And I also like to edit on beat. So I definitely kind of like stretch the sound out so that I can see where the high and the lows are. Like this right here is a beat. This right here is a beat. So yeah, that's pretty much what I pay attention to. And it makes it way. So I actually just came back from the grocery store, and I'm about to do my sister's hair. And she's about to put this wig on. It was a side part, but we're gonna make it a middle part. So I have to do some cutting on it, but this is gonna be a cute little montage. So let's just get started with her hair. She got some nice, thick hair. It's so thick. She hate doing it. She just had faux locks in too. And she just took them out. But her hair grows so fast. And it's nice and thick. Okay, let's get started.
But none of them is the thought of it.
All done.
Book with her ASAP. Okay? Y'all see this? Stop playing with her.
And it's glueless.
Yes.
Like,
I never had a glueless wig by her. Look at that. Do y'all see that?
definitely giving Edna. Oh, sorry, still got hair on these.
It's fine. I'm not wearing this today.
Y'all, guess what happened? My TV broke. Like, let me show y'all what's going on. So, here's my salon TV, right? If y'all look really closely, y'all can see that it's on. Like, this says the Addams Family 2. I don't know if y'all can see through the camera, but the TV comes on. And this has always been like a problem TV. So it comes on. However, like, I can't see anything. Like, I'm seeing